We must be careful in building churches so as not generate conflict.
But everyone has the right to worship comfortably and peacefully.
Religious moderation means keep harmony and respecting the around environment.
Moderation also means giving fair speech to all religions.
Church construction sometimes causes tension in many minority areas.
However, rejecting simply because the majority is different could be considered discrimination.
It's best to have communication first so that all parties understand each other.
Agree, communication is the key to harmony.
We need clear rules so that the development process is not haphazard.
Rules are important, but they shall not hinder the right to worship. That is what is called religious moderation. Bye bye.